we are going to be looking at how to create realistic metal in Unreal Engine 4, as you can see here. So, this metal is highly customizable. You can go into the material editor and, you can change the color. Like, let's say I wanted something more of like a red. Do that. And you can adjust like the roughness. If you want it to be very rough, you can have it very rough, or you can have it be like really, really shiny. And then you can also change the normal map and the roughness texture if you want to have like a different sort of texture to it. Okay, so before we get started, if you like this video, be sure to drop a like because it'll really help me out. Alright, so with all that shilling out of the way, let's get started. So, as always, we're going to make a new material. Call it tutorial metal. Open it up, and hold down 3. Convert to parameter. This is pretty standard. Name this color. This is so that way when we make the material instance, we can customize the color. So I usually like to make the default value white. So there you go. Now hold down 1. Make a scalar. Convert. Well, no, we don't actually need to convert this to parameter. Make the value 1. Hook that up to metallic. Now for roughness, hold down T to create a texture sample. Convert it to parameter. Call this roughness texture. Now you are going to need the starter content for this. So under parameter defaults, search steel. And then under T under dash metal steel D, we're going to drag off the RGB and type in add. And then we're going to hold down 1 again. Convert to parameter. We call this roughness offset. Its default value is going to be 0, and we can change slider min to -1, and the max to 1 because roughness can't take away more than 1 or add more than 1 to the roughness you already have. So what this will do is allow us to control the roughness in addition to having a roughness map. Now we're going to drag from here into the roughness, and we're almost done. Just hold down T, convert to parameter. We're going to call this normal map. Under parameter defaults, search steel, and select this one. Now, this might give you an error if you try and connect it to the normal map, like what we have right here, and that's an easy fix. All you have to do is scroll down to where it says sampler type and change that to normal. See, we're all good. We can save all. And now we can make our material instances. So if you right click this, create a material instance, call this T underscore metal1. You can call it whatever you want, really. Let's say we wanted to make it gold. So we're going to tick the color box. We can also have this so we can adjust the roughness. Go over here, and that looks good. Let's have it like a shiny polished gold. Have it look like this. And then let's say you wanted to change the texture of it. Look for wood. You get like this walnut wooden grain texture and then roughness. You get something that looks like this. I mean, this looks kind of bad, so I wouldn't recommend it, but you can if you want to. Well, that's it.